Here it comes. The newest version of America's most popular car. The classically stunning Olds Cutlass Supreme. Makes you think the Cutlass mystique was created entirely on style alone.
MIKEGTV. I just picked up my box from the Amazon locker. Quick unboxing. I've been waiting for this thing for a long time. It was stuck in New Jersey forever, but it's finally here. It's my Moog idler arm. It's the part number right there. That's all it is. They got the thing, the hole for the grease fitting. They got the nut, a cotter pin, and the grease fitting. That's it right there. I'll probably be putting that on tomorrow. Alright, today is the day that I'm gonna put the idler arm on. I was gonna put it on yesterday, but it was way too hot yesterday. It's almost 9 o'clock in the morning and it's already hot, but it's not gonna be as hot. It's not supposed to be as hot as it was yesterday. This idler arm took a long time to come. It was stuck in New Jersey for a while. I don't think it was the idler arm. The idler arm came. I don't know. Packages ain't showing up the day they're supposed to show up. Because I had the distributor cap too. I was thinking, was it the distributor cap? But they was all late, all the packages. I think the distributor cap, for some reason, was in New Jersey for like 4 days. I don't know why, but I'm gonna make it to the park right now. I should grab some breakfast before I even go out there, but I'll grab breakfast when I'm done. This shouldn't be a big job. I just gotta take the idler arm off and put the new one on. I'm gonna mess with the distributor too. It depends on how long it takes. But yeah, let me make it to this park and I'll turn these guys back on when I get there. Alright, I made it to the park. I got somewhat set up. I'm gonna turn the wheel so I can have enough space to get where I need to be. So alright, the wheels turn. Give me some space so I can get up in here. You see those two holes right there where the extension's sticking out of? That's the other side. It's size 17. I already unloosened this nut right here. So I'm gonna take these off. All right, I just found out on this side is 18, and on this side over here near the wheel is a 17. So what I'm gonna do now is use my gun. Try to use my gun. I might need like a bar or something because this thing is on here tight. I don't know. Let me try to keep doing it with this gun. See what happens. Damn, these things around here tight. So I might just have to loosen them up from up top first. So let me get up there and do that. I don't know, it's not looking good. I might not be able to do this because I didn't bring a breaker bar. I don't got any kind of bar. But I'm gonna try. And this camera is driving me crazy already. Can't get it in the position I want it. But see what I can do. I can't even fit the gun in there. If I had a bar, I would be all set. Like the bar from my jack or something. But I do not have a bar on me. And that thing's on there tight. Them 2 bolts. I don't know what to do. I don't have a bar. I might not be able to do this. I might have to just do the distributor cap right now. But the gun will not fit in there. Looks like I got the top one loose. Let me try to get the bottom one. The bottom one's hard because the radiator hose is in the way, but you just gotta push it down. Let me see. It's a really tight fit, but it's getting done. The battery from the gun's coming off on me. All right, that one's turning. So let me go to the other side now. Can't believe that. But I'm gonna go to the other side now with the 17. See if it comes off. I don't know, this says 18, so it's a 18 on the outside, and what is this thing? It's 18. What am I told? I thought it was 17 and 18. It's both 18s, unless I changed it. All right, the bottom one is on, so hopefully this thing comes off. If not, I'll just have to do that distributor cap. Right now I'm doing the bottom one. I don't know if I should stand up here or go down to the ground, but let me see if I can even reach it. All right, that one's off, I guess. Yep, that one's off. Now let me do the top one. I wish you guys could see what I was doing. Just gonna switch it to the top one now. All right, now I'm on the top one. right, they're both off. So now let me go down to the ground and bang. What is it? That tie rod? I don't know, maybe I should have kept the nuts on loose while I'm banging this thing. So I don't know, but let me take this nut off. This is the center link to the idler arm. So get my sledgehammer and get to banging. And that's it, it's off. Can't believe it. I got it off. So, did I already put this on in the house? Pull the bolts out. Try to hold them. These are one of the nuts. And try to start that thread. And I got, you see what I'm talking about? This holes is in the way. But I got that one started. And the other one is way over there, so let me go get that. It's over near the driver's door. Let me go get that. I could tell already that idler arm was no good. I'll show you guys in a couple of minutes. That I don't know where my socket went. It's probably in the frame of the car. That's not good. Alright, I got the top on it. Now I'm going to put the nut on it. There gotta be a better way for you guys to see what I'm doing. But you can't because the hose is in the way. But I'm just going to put this one on the top one. I already started the one on the bottom. That's started. Try to get it both of them as tight as I can. I gotta find that socket. It's probably inside this hole somewhere. The other 18-inch socket, I need to find that. So let me find that and I'll turn these guys back on. Alright, it was stuck in the hole. It's a good thing I had my magnet in the toolbox. But let's get to tightening these things up. What I'm going to do now is put this on the bottom one. And tighten these things up. It would be nice if I had my 18-inch ratchet wrench, but I don't know what's that. Alright, I'm gonna tighten them, but I'm not gonna tighten them all the way until I get everything, until I get that center link in the hole, because I don't want to have to take it apart again. So I'm gonna leave it loose. Until I get that center link in the idler arm. Man, that one went tight quick. Loosen it up a little. Alright. Now I gotta get this idler, this arm in here, dry to. And I might have to turn the wheel, so I don't know, maybe I should have put that in first before I tighten those up. That's why it's a good thing I didn't tighten them up all the way. But it looks like all I have to do is turn the wheel, but let me try. I don't know if you guys can see, but I need to get this into that hole right here. So I didn't bring my jack stands or nothing, but what I should do is just loosen that back up, put it in the hole. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So it's a good thing I didn't tighten all the way down. So what am I looking for? Okay. It'd probably be easier to do it this way, because there we go, this thing fell off again. Alright, I got it. Find the top one. No, the bottom one. I already did the top one. Alright, I'm on it. I really thought I wasn't going to be able to get that off, because this thing was on here really tight. Alright, that one's off. So what I'm going to do is try to put it on first, like that. That's on. Now I'm gonna have to, let me put the nut on there if I can find it. It was over here, it's right here. I'm gonna leave that loose too until everything's lined up. All right, that's on there good enough. Now what I need to do is try to turn. I don't have a screwdriver down here or nothing. I need to turn it to line up for the holes for the bolts to go through, or the idler arm, but it's turned, so I need to turn them. And I don't have nothing down here to turn them, so I'm gonna have to go find a screwdriver. All right, I got the screwdriver. What I'm gonna do is just put it in the hole and try to turn this thing. It's turning. Very good. That looks to be where I need it. I don't know. I might have to, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but this thing doesn't seem to be lining up the way I want it to. Oh, oh my God. Just what I needed. So all I had to do was grab, I had to turn it, but all I had to do was grab it. I'm gonna have to turn it a little bit more. The idler arm. Just a little bit more. That should be good. Try to get the bolt through the hole. And there we go. And the other one just fell, so now I gotta go use the magnet to get that out. But I'm gonna get this one started. All right, it's on there, so let me use the magnet to get the other one. All right, I got it. I'm gonna use the magnet. I'm gonna put it on there straight like that and stick it through. This magnet definitely came in handy. It would be nice if I could see the hole, but now I can. So boom, that's where I need to be. Gonna keep the magnet on it until I put the nut on, so it doesn't fall again. And that's it. It's on there. Get this magnet out of here. Put the socket on it. I'm gonna do the top one first. All right, the socket's on there. Get the gun, make sure it's going the right way. It wasn't, but it is now. Alright, that one's tight. The top one is tight. Now let's get to the bottom one. Alright, that's on there. Alright, they're both tight. Try to get it out of there without losing the socket, which I did. It's really nice. That's off. Now I gotta tighten this. It was, I guess, I don't know what size it was. It's probably the 18 like all these other ones, so. I had a 18-inch, 18 millimeter. I keep saying inches. I said inches in the last video, but I gotta go find that ratchet wrench. It's in, I'm pretty sure it's in the 18 millimeter ratchet wrench. It's in the trunk somewhere because I used it last time and I didn't take anything out of the trunk. So let me go find it. Would be nice if I could see. Alright, you get the point. I gotta find the hole so I can put the cotter pin in, but I'm gonna do that. These guys don't need to be, it's already been too long on this video. But let me do it, let me find that and get it bent in so I can do something else. Alright, I finally got the cotter pin in the hole right here. Just gonna bend it. Alright, that's it. I got a grease. Put some grease in here. My grease gun is right here in this bag. Get it on there. And just pump. You see the grease coming out already? It's greased. So that's all I gotta do with this. I greased the wrong one. I gotta grease this one. It's on there. I thought it was on there. Just gonna keep pumping it until I see grease coming out. This thing's supposed to lock on there. Grease everywhere. Still don't see any grease coming out, so I'm just gonna keep pumping. All right, I see. Well, I feel so it's greased. That's about it for the idler arm. I'm gonna show you how bad that idler arm was. It's right here. Look at this thing. That's how bad it was. You're not supposed to be able to do that. It does shake a little bit. There is, let me see. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, this thing is bad. Look, it's twisting right off. Look, it's tight now. This thing comes off like that. I guess it screws right off. I didn't know that. I didn't know this thing came off like that. But this was what was making the noise. In the other video you seen, you heard it making a noise. But I got a new one, and the new one's Moog. It's on there. It was a little bit of a pain, but now I can't get the thing back. I don't need to get it back anyway. This thing is garbage. It's crazy. It's not going back. But this thing's garbage anyway, so stop wasting your time. And I'm gonna go and do this distributor cap. I think I'm turning it the wrong way. That's what the problem was. I was turning it the wrong way. Yeah, so let me get set up to do this. Like, now it's tight. This thing probably wasn't even bad. I don't know, but the new one's on there, and hopefully no more noise.